Hello guys, welcome back for our episode 3 part 2. As I told you in last episode, we were going to Inverness and we were supposed to do some stopovers also. This was the place where I couldn't stop myself to take some shots for the landscape. This is the place, I couldn't resist stopping the motorhome and getting the drone out for some close-up shots. Kids were thrilled and wanted to jump the fence to join the fun, but it was not possible. Just feel the vibe. Look at the innocence. They were getting scared of it. Oh my god. It was such a different experience, to have a drone and, just go everywhere, wherever you want to. And to be very honest, what I felt like, these sheep were getting scared by this new creature for them, like they were treating drone like an alien. That was such a nice experience. Then my kids were pushing me to cover these ponies also, and once I took my drone nearby to close to these ponies, they start playing with it. They were getting scared also. Yeah, they were coming close, then they were trying to observe, what is this thing. It was amazing to see the ponies interact with the drone, almost like they were playing with it. Anyway, after this delightful stopover, we jump back into the motorhome and we continue our journey, driving through stunning landscapes. These non-stop, a trail of trees were mesmerizing. That was stunning. And we always listen this quote, normally journeys are more beautiful than the destination, and I really felt that. This was the day, I was thinking, travel is must needed for your soul to recover out of your hustle and bustle of the life. Look at this. The clouds, white clouds, the sky blue color, greenish landscape, such a nice bridge. And the small this red, road patches was also, very different for me. And I was not aware about the reason, what was the reason behind of this red patches on the road. And it was keep coming. Just check this out, guys. Wow, the turn of the road. Oh my god. Look at the clouds. This time I got a call. I had to stop on the, GoPro was on. Keep your eyes on the cloud. Yes. It's amazing. Then I found out another nice place for a stopover, guys. It's a beautiful spot between a mountain and a dreamy lake. The perfect place to stretch our legs and snap some more photos, videos and drone shots. enjoy. Isn't it amazing? Complete, scenic picture. Clouds, green background, beautiful lake. I don't want to talk more about it. I'm sure you can feel it. My words can't justice this, this scenic beauty. Find your own words of this beauty. This is the beauty which you can't express. You can just feel it. Just be in the moment, guys. Look at this. Amazing. I don't know which property is that, but it seems, very different and very attractive to me. Now observe the moment of this drone shoot from here. Yeah, it's encountered with some trees, top of the trees. Look at this. Isn't it like amazing shot? Then that's over for this place. The scenery was out of this world, and we captured some amazing shots to remember the moment. Later we stumbled upon another campsite. We were planning where to stay. My wife was keep on finding out better options in Inverness, and after long discussions and keep on finding better options, then we decided Ardtower Caravan Park. And then I was just trying to focus on the road, enjoying the journey, the landscape. And here we go. This is the entrance, guys. This is the entrance of our campsite. Finally we reached there. We had to reserve our spot there. My wife get into the reservation center and she reserved it. And after getting the reservation, this is the place, like we need to show the reservation number. Then this barrier goes up, and now I will take the motorhome inside. The feel was amazing. This site was stunning, and we were looking forward to explore this whole campsite. This was the different experience. And from there I will go to my spot. If I'm not wrong, that was spot number 23. I don't remember, but we were looking there. This is 14. Then there was a truck of ice cream. Kids just start asking for it. I told them, let me do my job, then you will get your ice cream also. This campsite was a jam with impressive facilities. Guys, you should appreciate my effort, You see, like the shots which I took. I'm not a professional guy for this. This is just a hobby. I was keep on traveling half of my life and I was not covering my travel. So I decided to start, making some archives for me and for you guys to show the world by my own perspective. And this was the stop. Yeah, I parked it very well. I'm a good driver, isn't it? Yes, enjoy this, GoPro. I forgot to turn it off. And what I found out, this amazing, cloud moment out of this. Sometimes mistakes also, but hey, Kainat is there. She's taking some shots after I park. My whole family was into the moment. They were helping me to make the most of this trip and helping me to take the best shots for you guys, because they understand like how much these moments were important for me. And this was the first time I started covering my travels for you guys. Now I will just leave you guys to just experience the beauty of this place. Because most of the time in this trip, what I observe, my words can't do justice with the beauty of the Scotland. This was the place where all the facilities of this campsite were like the grey water disposal and the restrooms, the reception area, the service center, a small kind of cafe. What we found out. Yeah, I remember this was a place for barbecue, for doing some stuff overnight. If you want to do barbecue, this was the stuff. Try to feel the weather was cool and the sunset was amazing. And she's my little angel who loves gymnastics. I wish her all the best, but without injuries. Thank you.